Can you solve this kind of sums in few seconds? Yes, of course, we can solve this kind of sums in few seconds. Let's take an example. 32 into 4, the answer is 138. 43 into 6, the answer is 258. 564 into 3, the answer is 1692. What? You also have to learn this kind of sums, how we can solve in few seconds. Then see the video till to end, otherwise you can't understand the video. So, today concept is that multiplication with single digit. Okay, balance and carryover rule. So hello friends and welcome back to your channel, my Vedic Max book. Today we have to solve that. Today we have to learn that how to multiply the multiplication sums with a single digit. Means double digit into single digit sums. Okay. So one important note is there. If you want a text solution, then check out the link in the description. My Vedic Max book.blogspot.com. Okay, today, but first we have to learn that or practice that of balance and carryover rule. Okay, what is balance and carryover rule? That I explained you in the last video or last lecture. So let's revise our today concept, balance and carryover rule. Okay, let's take one example of balance carryover rule. So here is three digit words given, 22, 14 and 35. Now simply and respectively we have to separate the three numbers. The rule is very simple. Start from right, drop the unit place number and carry out the place, means 10th place number to the next place. Follow the same produce for the next number after editing the carry out number. You understand? I explain you in detail. Now here we take one example, 22, 14 and 34. Now simply you have to drop the unit place number, first unit place number downside, like this. Okay. Now you have to add 10th place number to next unit place number. Okay. Means 4 plus 3, the answer comes 7. You have to drop 7. Now simply you have to add this unit place number to next 10th place number, means 2 plus 1, the answer comes 3. Now simply drop 3. Now here after 22 no digit was given, so simply you have to drop 2 also as it is. Now we can say that our final answer of this question is 2375, means 2375 is our answer. Detail. Now you have to drop 5 as it is. Now carry 3 to the next place, means 4 plus 1, the answer comes 7. Now simply do plus 1 to the next place, 2 plus 1, the answer comes 3, and there was no digit after 2, then simply you have to drop 2 also, means our final answer is 2475. Okay, your mind is active or not? You can say yeah, your mind is, or you focus in this video carefully, then you understand that in this question one mistake was there. Yeah, here 2 plus 1, the answer is 3, and here we write 2475. When your mind focus properly in this video, then you understand this kind of sums in proper way. Okay, so our final answer is 2375 is our final answer. Okay, for checking your brain or a focus power, I made here one mistake for you. Now let's take one another example. Here we take 4 digit, 52, 36, 25 and 43. Okay, now simply this sum method only we have to apply here. Okay, now drop 3 as it is. Now do 10th place number to add. Now simply do 10th place number addition with unit place number addition, sums addition. Okay, means 5 plus 4, the answer comes 9. Now simply add 2 into next place, means 6 plus 2, the answer comes 8. Okay, now simply drop now simply add 3 to the next place, 3 plus 2, the answer comes 5, and here after 52 the no any kind of digit was given, so simply you have to write directly 55. Means we can say that our answer is 5, 5, 8, 9, 3. Okay, this is our answer. We can say that. Okay, here we take some digit only. Now, when we start our today concept, okay, double digit into single digit sums, then the answers comes. For example, the answers comes 24 line 7. Now here you want to apply the balance and carryover rule. Means this rule you have to apply there. This is only for practice. Okay. So our answer is this. Now let's start our today's concept. Multiplication with single digit means double digit into single digit. Okay, now let's take an example of this question. 43 into 6. You have to write in a multiplication form. Okay, now you have to first multiply this number to this number. Okay, means 6 3s are, the answer comes 18. Means you have to write 18 here. Okay, in our normal max we add here, means we borrow 1 in the next place top. Okay, but in Vedic max we have to can't use this method. We have to write direct the answer. Okay, 6 3s are 18, and now you have to multiply this. 6 4s are 24. Now you want to apply here balancing carryover rule. Okay, I told in the last page that you want to apply the balancing carryover rule between two digits. Now here 24 and 18 was given. Now drop simply 8 here as it is. 24 and 18. We find here two digit 24 and 18. Now simply drop 8 as it is. Now do plus 1 in the next place, means answer comes 5. Drop 5, and after 2 no any kind of digit was given, so you have to drop directly to downside. Okay, means we can say that our final answer is 258. 258 is our final answer. Let's take an example. Means next I explain you briefly. Means 6 3s are, the answers comes 18. Okay, now 6 4s are, the answers comes 24. Now you want to apply here balance and carryover rule. Means 24 and 18. Now simply drop 8 as it is. Now do plus 1 in the next 10th place, means 4 plus 1 5. Means our final answer is 258 is our final answer. Let's take another example. 564 into 3. Now here triple digit into single digit question was given. Okay, now simply first you want to multiply this 3 and 4. Okay, comes 12. Now separate. Okay, now 6 3s are, the answers comes 18. Now 5 3s are, the answers comes 15. Okay, let's I explain you briefly. 4 3s are, the answers comes 12. 6 3s are, the answers come 18, and 5 3s are, the answers comes 15. Now you want to apply here balance and carryover rule. Means 15, 18, and 12. Now simply drop 2 as it is. Now you want to add the 10th place digit to the next unit place number. Means 8 plus 1, the answers comes 9. Simply drop 9 as it is and do plus 1 in the next place. Means the 5 plus 1, the answers comes 6, and after 1 there was no digit, so simply you have to drop 1 as it is. Okay, means our final answer is 1692 is our final answer. This method is called as balance and carryover rule, and how to multiply double into single digit or a triple into single digit sums. Now let's take here one more or a last long example. Okay, now simply you have to add that method only here. 6 3s are 18, means you have to write separate 18. Okay, like that you have to solve these sums and write answer as it is. Okay, now your answers comes like this. 6 3s are 80, 6 8s are 38, 6 6s are 36, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, and 6 7s are 42. Now you have to apply here balancing carryover rule. So simply drop 8, do plus 1 in the next place, 8 plus 1, the answer comes 9. Now simply do plus 3 in the next place, means 6 plus 3, the answer comes 10. So simply you have to drop 0 and we come to the next place, means 3 plus 4, the answer comes 8. Drop 8 as it is. Now simply this kind only you have to start adding to the till to last number, or our answer of this question is 45 crore 2,80,098 is our answer of this question. Okay, you understand this method? If you understand this method, then you can solve a long sums or a lengthy sums in a few seconds. So today another new concept is special type of multiplication. Okay, in the previous sums that we can solve a multiplication by n single digit, but in this topic we have to multiply the same number by only x into 5. Okay, means in the last sums, we can multiply by number, any number. For example, 58 by 8, like this number we can take any number, but now here in this concept you have to take only single digit, multiply by 5, any number multiply by 5. So how we can solve? First, so you have to use here standard formula. Okay, when the multiply by 5 was given, then you have to use this standard formula. Okay, I explain here a standard formula. Any number, means here we take 25, okay, by 5, means you have to divide 5. 25 divided by 5, the answer comes 5. Okay, now 5 is x, so take here, we can take that 5 into 10 upon 2. Okay, we can write here like that. We have to use the standard formula. Let's take an example for a better explanation. So here question number 1, 4862 into 5. So just suffix 0 after 4862, means you have to write directly this number. Okay, this number is our question, 4862 is our answer. Now simply suffix 0, means put 0 in the end of the question. Okay, and divide by 2. Okay, when you divide the sums by 2, means you have to do the half of the number. Okay, when you divide by 2, you have to do half of the number, means 4 half is 2, 8 half is 4, 6 half is 2. Okay, 6 half is 3, not 2. Now 2 half 2 and 0 half 0. Your focus power, or you can concentrate in this video, then you understand that there was one mistake. Okay, 2 half is 1 and I write here 2. Why 2? Because I want to check your activeness. Okay, you are active in this video or not. So we can say that 4862 into 5. Now write here the half numbers. Okay, 24,310 is our answer. We can say that 4862 into 5. The answer is 24,310. Okay. So now let's take another example. 7,319 into 5. Now here 7,319. In the last sums you find there even numbers. Okay, but now here you find a odd numbers. So what you have to do? Now simply write that you have to use that method only. 73190 divided by 2. Okay, when you divide by 2, your answers comes 36,595. Means we can say that the multiplication of 7,319 into 5, our answer is 36,595 is our final answer. So what you learn from this lecture? You learn from this lecture that how to solve a multiplication sums double digit into double digit sums. For example, 34 into 4 equals to 128, like this. Okay, now you learn some new tricks. Okay, means you new method, the special type of multiplication you learn from this lecture. For example, x into 5 was given any number, you have to, okay, means x into 5 was given any number into 5, means you have to take any number. For example, I take in last example only 25 digit example, that only you can learn. Means this kind of method you learn from this lecture. So what you have to learn in next lecture, you have to learn in next lecture that how to solve the numbers by 9. Okay, here we learn that any number multiply by 5. Okay, now in next sums, any number multiply by 9. Okay, for example 32,679 into 9, like this. My Vedic max book, our important notice there, one important notice there, if you want a text solution, then check out our link in the description, my vedicmaxbook.blogspot.com. So hello students, I hope you learned some new sounds, then subscribe to our channel, and you learn some new tricks or a method to solve this kind of sums, then press the like button. And for our upcoming class, don't forget to subscribe our channel and attend our next class. Then you have to prepare this kind of sums. Okay, multiply by 5, prepare hardly.